Hola y bienvenidos a Madro Tres. So this week we are going to be talking about families and family relationships, family vocabulary, and we also have the verb tener, which means to have. So we can use this to talk about like I have two brothers, things like that. So under the readings, we have some textbook pages. We have an extra explanation about the verb tener, and then we also have some cultural readings. So make sure that you read those because if we go down to our assignments, we do have a discussion board this week about those cultural readings. About the family and family names. So make sure you get your initial post in by Wednesday. We also have the homework packet like always and the speaking assignment. Then here's the family tree practice. This is just a practice activity that's similar to something that's on the quiz. You don't have to submit that anywhere. But if you want to do it and check your answers, you can email me your answers. I'll tell you if you're right or not. And again, it's similar to something that's on the quiz. So if it's easy, go ahead and take the quiz. If it's hard, you want to check it, just email me. And that's it for this week. So good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto.